Hey guys, this is a demo for the new feature, the prepopulating stuff and the synonym. So I put the smart testing database, which just have 5 test sentences from my local to handover, and I deploy the web application on handover right now, but without the big testing dataset on Kingston. But we can still, I just want to demo this new feature, so it's going to be enough. So let's get started. Let's log in. And then, so previously we want tagging something, just click on it, right? So it doesn't pre-populate anything because it doesn't find any data that in the dictionary that match this actor text. So let me first introduce the logic about this, or maybe let's do an example first. So let's go to find something that has Obama in there. You go here and you click on Obama, and there's nothing pre-pop, which means there's no data match this Obama as a key in the dictionary. So as usual, or first you want to say, okay, let's find the synonyms of it. You find the synonyms of Obama, and you click each of them. None of them has the record in the database. So what you are going to do is you change that one back to Obama, and you start tagging this. You're going to say this is USA, okay. And you'll say primary row is gov, okay. And secondary row is, for example, edu. I will say here, and from say 2009 to 2016, and I'm not sure about this. And for example, Obama here is actor text, so I will choose this one and I commit this. And then I can go back to row summary and check this. Oh, I didn't tag my first row? Oh, I didn't put a first row there. So, but that's fine. This is just a demo. Okay, so we have been tagging this Obama. So let's go ahead and tag in the special forces. So when you click on this, all the fields is going to be cleared for you. And when you go back to Obama, great, it's going to pre-populate for you because we don't have a primary row there. But I think based on our logic we got for each noun, I got to write some validation to make sure when they commit, it has to have a primary row. So that's the enhancement right here. So okay, you can see it's pre-populate for you, right? So let's go to, so the logic is going to be like when you're tagging it, if it is pre-populate, which means this word itself exists in the database. If it doesn't exist in the database, you want to check, okay, the synonym, okay, President Barack Obama seems right. You want to click on this and see if it has any record in the database. Obviously, this one doesn't have it, right? So let's go tag another sentence. You will know what I mean. So I want to find this one. Go there and say President Obama interviewed with somebody. So you want to tag this President Obama, right? So you just President Obama. And you want to find the synonyms of it. For example, when you click on President Obama, it doesn't pre-populate anything, which means it doesn't have the record stored in the database and saved as President Obama, right? But remember, we just tagged Obama there. So you say, oh, Obama is a synonym, and it might have some record there. Who knows? So just click on this. And that's what we just tagged. USA, EDU, right? From 2009 to 2016, and I'm not sure about this. So yeah, that's how it works. So first you just wanted to pre-populate with exactly what you want there, President Obama, but it doesn't have any record. And then you click on synonym to find all the synonyms of this Obama. And you will see, okay, Obama is the right one. And I don't know if it has a record in the database with this synonym as a key or not. You just click on this and it has one. So you're going to use this one, we just tagged. But one thing I want the user, and also it's easy for the app, is whenever it's pre-populated, the app is only going to be store whatever put in here. So if there's nothing here and you want to commit this, but I didn't, this one is not pre-populated because in different sentence it could be actor, it could be target. This one, because we have this, is because when you commit a sentence, the sentence database will store if this word act as actor or target in a sentence. But for the dictionary, it doesn't store any information about if this is a target or actor. So for example, I choose this one as a target, and I just commit this one. So what is going to happen is, see, this is going to be empty. So what is going on right now is, if you go back, what is going on right now is I see a bug right away. So this store Obama as OBAMA, and that one store Obama as O as uppercase, O, and all the lowercase. So if you see this one, so that's a duplicate. We got to avoid something like this happen. So you want to see this, see, it's different. We got to only store like lowercase or something there. So that's an enhancement too. So let's go to, so you can see that the row summary for this is empty, right? So even though it's pre-populate, so you go to President Obama, you click on Obama, even though it's pre-populate for you for this three input, you got to like, user might want to check it and resync it while they're tagging it, right? So this one is gov. You'll say, okay, I add this one there and add edu there. And you don't need to change anything about the time. It will save for you. You only need to recheck these three things. I mean, for the user. And then you can say this is a, for example, target, and you commit this. And when you go back to row summary, you will see what you have been committed there. So yeah, that's how it works. So the idea is, you know, just as usual, if it has something, it's going to pre-populate for you. If it doesn't have that thing, it's going to, you can find a synonym, and it might be a synonym had something like that. For example, if you want to say Obama, but I still want to tagging it as President Obama, right? So you can copy this and put this here. And but remember, you can't leave those three inputs alone. So you want to put this one as gov, this one as edu. And then you're, for example, you're sure about this, and this is an actor, and you just commit this, right? So next time, right now, it stores something President Obama as a key. So when you go to Jeffrey Goldberg, there's nothing, and you go to President Obama. Yeah, pre-populate for you. What do you just tagged? So that's how it works. So if it is pre-populate, it has it there. If it doesn't pre-populate, you can choose a synonym, and to find any of the correct synonym, it's going to populate for you. If all of them doesn't populate, you just need to do it all by yourself. So that's how it works.